When the unexpected hits, every second matters, and the right gear can mean the difference between escape and tragedy. Whether you're trapped in smoke, submerged in floodwater, or cut off during a blackout, this lineup of emergency tools is built for real-world survival. From fireproof cloaks and escape ladders to satellite communicators and window breakers, each item is designed to act fast and stay reliable when everything else fails. Compact, powerful, and ready for action. Because emergencies don't wait, and neither should your gear. So hit that like button, check the links below, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. Without further ado, let's dive in. When a kitchen fire flares up without warning, the Prepared Hero Emergency Fire Blanket gives you instant, mess-free suppression. This 4-pack includes 40 by 40 fiberglass blankets designed to smother flames fast. No chemicals, no cleanup. Just pull, cover, and cut off oxygen to the fire. Compact and easy to store near stoves, grills, or electrical outlets, it's perfect for homes, RVs, and survival kits. Whether you're cooking or prepping for emergencies, this blanket is your first line of defense when seconds matter. You don't plan to get trapped, but emergencies don't ask for permission. Whether you're stuck in a car, submerged in floodwater, or trapped in a building with jammed exits, this compact escape tool can mean the difference between panic and survival. The window breaker shatters glass instantly, even underwater. The seatbelt cutter slices through stuck straps when seconds matter. And the built-in flashlight helps you navigate through smoke, darkness, or chaos. Small enough for your keychain, powerful enough for any emergency. This tool is your silent backup when everything else fails. In a fire emergency, visibility isn't optional, it's life-saving. The AYKRM High Visibility Safety Vest is a critical part of any fire safety dress, designed to keep responders and evacuees clearly seen in smoke, low light, or chaotic environments. With 7 utility pockets, a front zipper, and reflective strips that shine under pressure, it meets ANSI ISEA standards for professional-grade protection. Lightweight, breathable, and built for action, this vest adds visibility and utility to your fire escape or rescue gear, because being seen can mean being saved. Fire spreads fast. Your response must be faster. This 3-pack ABCK class fire extinguisher set is compact, portable, and ready for action in your home, kitchen, car, or boat. Each unit tackles electrical, grease, and flammable liquid fires with quick access mounting brackets for instant deployment. Whether it's a stovetop flare-up or roadside emergency, this trio gives you multi-zone protection when seconds matter. Stay prepared, stay protected, because fire doesn't wait, and neither should your gear. When the unexpected hits, flames block your exit, smoke fills the air, you don't need panic, you need protection. The DIBBATU Fireproof Cloak wraps your entire body in heat-resistant fiber, shielding you from fire and buying you precious seconds to escape. Oversized for full coverage, 72 inches by 70 inches. Bright orange for visibility, and designed to double as a fire blanket. It's your last line of defense in homes, offices, and apartments. Because when disaster strikes, survival doesn't wait, and smart gear makes all the difference. When danger is silent, smart alerts speak loud. The First Alert SC5 Smart Alarm combines smoke and carbon monoxide detection in one hardwired unit, equipped with precision detection technology to reduce false alarms and deliver early warnings. It features voice alerts that identify the type and location of danger, plus mobile notifications via the First Alert app, so you're protected whether home or away. With battery backup, quick connect installation, and interconnect capability, it's built for reliable, whole home safety. Bonus, it's compatible with and replaces Google Nest Protect. When fire traps you on an upper floor and escape routes vanish, the Hase Retractable Fire Escape Ladder gives you a fast, secure way out. With 25 feet of durable, anti-slip rungs, it unfolds instantly from windows to help you descend safely. Compact, lightweight, and easy to store, it supports up to 1,000 pounds and is built for quick deployment during emergencies. Whether you're prepping your home, dorm, or office, this ladder is a must-have for fire safety kits. Because when seconds matter, reliable escape gear saves lives. When water turns wild, this vest keeps you afloat and visible. The X-Gear Adult USCG Life Jacket is a certified U.S. Coast Guard approved safety vest designed for serious water sports and emergency readiness. Whether you're prepping a flood survival kit, kayaking, boating, or jet skiing kit, it offers high buoyancy, secure fit, and bright visibility to keep you safe and seen. With adjustable straps and durable materials, it's built for comfort without compromising protection. In the field, readiness is everything. The Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops folding knife is a compact, tactical blade built for EDC, camping, hiking, and emergency use. Featuring a stainless steel partially serrated blade, a textured aluminum handle, and a thumb stud for fast deployment, it offers reliable cutting power in a lightweight, pocket-friendly design. The liner lock mechanism ensures safe handling, while the pocket clip keeps it secure and accessible. Whether you're clearing brush or cutting cord, this knife is made to perform under pressure. When disaster strikes, food security becomes survival. The Augustin Farms 72-hour emergency meal kit is a compact, ready-to-eat solution designed to keep one person nourished for 3 full days. Packed with 42 servings of easy prep meals like creamy potato soup, maple brown sugar oatmeal, and hearty rice dishes, it delivers over 8,000 total calories in a lightweight, portable container. Ideal for emergency kits, camping, or disaster prep. It's shelf-stable, simple to store, and ready when the unexpected hits. No refrigeration, no hassle. Just heat, eat, and stay strong. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. When clean water isn't guaranteed, whether you're hiking remote trails, camping off-grid, or preparing for emergencies, this personal water filter lets you drink safely from lakes, rivers, or any questionable source. The LifeStraw uses a microfiltration membrane to remove 99.99999% of bacteria, 99.999% of parasites, and microplastics, filtering up to 4,000 liters without chemicals, batteries, or moving parts. It's ultralight, just 2 ounces, fits easily in any backpack or emergency kit, and lets you drink directly from natural sources or containers. Garmin InReach Messenger Handheld Satellite Communicator. When you're venturing beyond cell coverage and need to stay connected, this handheld satellite communicator keeps your lifeline open. Ideal for hikers, campers, solo travelers, and emergency preppers. The Garmin InReach Messenger enables global two-way messaging via satellite, letting you text friends and family even in remote areas. It pairs with the Garmin Messenger app for seamless communication, supports group chats, location sharing, and preset check-ins, and features an interactive SOS button that alerts Garmin's 24/7 emergency response center. With up to 28 days of battery life, a compact, rugged design, and flexible satellite plans, it's built for anyone who needs reliable communication off-grid, whether you're exploring, working remotely, or preparing for the unexpected.
When disaster strikes or adventure calls, the Emergency Radio Hand Crank Solar Kit is your all-in-one lifeline. Powered by a massive 10,000 milliamp hours, 37,000 milliwatt hours battery, it offers 3 charging methods: solar, hand crank, and USB, to keep you connected no matter the conditions. With NOAA/AM/FM auto weather alerts, a built-in flashlight, SOS siren, and headphone jack, it's designed for both safety and communication. The kit also includes a rechargeable headlamp with 5 lighting modes, a thermal blanket for warmth and signaling, and a 5-in-1 survival bracelet with compass, whistle, blade, fire starter, and paracord. Whether you're prepping for storms or heading to the wild, this compact powerhouse is a must-have for every emergency kit or outdoor pack. Power meets precision in your pocket. The Nitecore EDC29 Lumen Blade is the ultimate ultra-slim tactical flashlight for serious EDC users. Packing a staggering 6,500 lumens and a 400-meter beam throw into a sleek, armor-textured body, it outperforms bulkier flashlights with ease. Featuring dual UHI 20 Max LEDs, intuitive multi-mode controls, Lumine Shield, strobe ready, tactical search, and a customizable tail switch, it adapts instantly to any scenario. Built with carbon fiber composite, stainless steel reinforcements, and a retractable keychain, it's rugged yet lightweight at just 160G. Add in a 2,500 mAh battery, OLED display, and rapid lock system, and you've got a flashlight that's not just powerful, it's tactical brilliance in your hand.
When the power is out and the storm rolls in, the NOAA Emergency Hand Crank Radio keeps you connected and prepared. This all-in-one survival tool features AM/FM shortwave radio with NOAA weather alerts, a hand crank and solar charger, USB power bank, LED flashlight, earbud jack, and SOS alarm. Everything you need during hurricanes, blackouts, or outdoor emergencies. Compact and battery operated. It's perfect for camping, travel, and home survival kits. Stay informed, stay powered, and stay safe no matter what hits.